Wait, why are you people fighting for Anioma State? You even benefit more than other tribes in Delta State because the former governor of Delta State, Okowa, came from Anyoma. The present deputy governor is from Anyoma. You are not marginalized, yet you are fighting for another state. You benefit from our oil, yet you want to join Southeast because you are being deceived by Ned Nwoko, whose ambition is to become a governor in Delta State. But since it's not working for him, he came with a plan to break out from Delta so he can achieve his governorship ambition. And his own father, that is a fool, are following and listening to him. You will never get Anyoma State. Ned can't do it alone. The idiot that said all these things is an Urhobo person. Look at what he wrote in his page. I miss you, my grandpa, the Esiriara of Ekpan, Uvwe Kingdom. Uvwe Kingdom is located in Urhobo land. He said that we Anyoma people benefit more from the crude oil in Delta State because Ifeanyi Okowa is from Anyoma land. If we Anyoma people are benefiting from the crude oil in Delta State the most, why is it that we Okwane people for more than 20 years we don't have lights? He said that we are benefiting the most. How come for more than 20 years we Okwane people don't have lights? How come we Okwane people we don't have good roads? I'm mentioning only Okwane people because Okwane people have crude oil more than Urhobo people. The Urhobo boy said that we Anyoma people are benefiting from their crude oil. He must be very stupid. We are benefiting from your crude oil. I've been now they benefit from our crude oil. We Okwane people we say we get crude oil past Urhobo people. Now you open your dirty mouth, they talk say, Anyoma people are benefiting from our crude oil, yet they are agitating to have their own states. We Anyoma people, we are not benefiting anything in these Delta states. Abraka gets state university, Ozoro gets state university. Which one dey for Okwane land? Federal institutions, you know the Okwane land. State institutions, you know the Okwane land. Good road, we not get for Okwane. Hospital, we not get for Okwane land. Now Urhobo land, now Okwane people they go if they won't go hospital. The ones where they Obiaroko, now Eku for Urhobo land, they go hospital if they sick. When we Okwane people say that we are suffering, we know they talk to generate pity from other people. We are telling you what we Okwane people are suffering. Okwane get crude oil past Urhobo land though, yet these idiots have the audacity saying that we are benefiting from their crude oil. We Okwane people, we are not benefiting from the crude oil in Urhobo land. We have crude oil and gas in Okwane land. So anything where Delta State government they give us, we merit them. And not only this Urhobo person they thought this, you know, there are some other Urhobo people that are saying it. Anyoma people, you are benefiting from our resources, yet you want to leave Delta State and get your own Anyoma State. Why they pay on this Anyoma State? He said that Senator Ned Nwoko wants to become the governor of Delta State, but because that plan has failed, he is now agitating for Anyoma State to join the Southeast so that he will become governor in Anyoma State. These are the lies and propaganda that all these Urhobo people and our enemies in this country called Nigeria are propagating. They are saying it to turn Ika people against Senator Ned Nwoko. They are saying it to turn Oshimiri and Anyocha people against Senator Ned Nwoko. If we get Anyoma State, Senator Ned Nwoko come become governor of Anyoma State, how we take consign on her? If he become governor of Anyoma State, now our governor he be. I don't know why they pay some of these Urhobo people. Why is he paying many of you people? No be everything where fly for night be winch. The most dangerous witches in the world are living in our midst. Some of them are our neighbors. Some of them are family members. Some of them are friends. They are not they fly, but they get evil mindsets. And this Urhobo boy is one of them. Amosu. Anyoma State will not concern Urhobo people. Now they pay you like this. So many Urhobo people are saying that Delta State is an Urhobo state. Delta State and Urhobo State. Yet the landmass of Anyoma people is bigger than the landmass of Urhobo people. Urhobo have only 8 local governments. Anyoma have 9 local governments. Yet that they call Delta State Urhobo State. People who get 8 local governments, they talk say a state where be say e get people wey get 9 local government, dem dey talk say na dem plenty pass, na dem big pass, na their land big pass. 8 local government dey compare theirself to 9 local governments. If Senator Urhobo wants to become the first governor of Anyoma State, we Anyoma people, we want it. Make he give us Anyoma State our own. Now let us get Anyoma State. How many years Senator Urhobo go become the governor where they pay some of these Urhobo people? How many years? 8 years governorship na they pay una so. You Urhobo people are benefiting more than we Ukwane people in this Delta State. Yet una no one let us drink water drop cup. Una they benefit more than Anyoma people. Yet you people don't want to leave we Anyoma people alone. You say Urhobo people, you are agitated to have Urhobo State. No Anyoma person don't ever complain. I never see Anyoma person they talk say Urhobo people must remain in Delta State. Why are they looking for a state? Are they not benefiting in Delta State? Instead of focusing on Urhobo States where una define, you say no, say na Igbo matter go kill una. Una get universities, una get polytechnics, una get good roads, una dey get lights, name it. Yet na Anyoma State wey won't get the pain una. Fear omanga kwala ndi ajoma dokpo we our neighbors. If Governor Sheriff like, make he build flyover everywhere for Anyoma land, we Anyoma people must get Anyoma State and leave Delta State. If Governor Sheriff like, make he build university for Ukwane land, we must get Anyoma State. Nobody where to get their own state not the sweet. If you like, make he tie the whole road where they Ukwane land, we must get Anyoma State. Anyoma State is an agenda and a cause that must be actualized. Nothing una go do for us for this Anyoma land where go make us give up on Anyoma State creation. We no go talk say because I say una do stadium for us, una tie road for us, make we give up on Anyoma State that is our interest. That one not go happen. So if you like, they talk say we Anyoma people are benefiting the most in Delta State. That is not our concern. We are not benefiting anything. So anything on the fee say now they happen, that is not our concern. Anyoma State must be actualized. The same Urhobo people that are calling we Anyoma people fake Deltans. The same Urhobo people that are calling we Anyoma people fake South people. You people belong to the Southeast. Now make we get Anyoma State join Southeast. Una no want make una drink water drop cup. Say no be we. He said we can never get Anyoma State that Senator Urhobo cannot do it alone. Why you not go talk like that? Why be say Okowa na him get all the politicians where they for Delta State. She Omo Agege for Delta Central don't come out from APC enter NDC. The same thing where Okowa they do Senator Urhobo by fighting Senator Urhobo is what Okowa did to Omo Agege. Okowa no want make Omo Agege go Senate. The person wey Okowa want make he go Senate for Delta Central na Dafione. And that was why immediately after the election, Okowa people start to propagate say Dafione abi na Dafione be name. Say na him win. Say he don't win Omo Agege because na him Okowa want make he win. I said last time that allegedly we heard that some top politicians from Delta States went to Abuja and gave 50 US million to some top APC officials. Why did they give them that money? They gave them that money so that they will buy all the APC slots in Delta State. So that na person where they want make you win go win. Na person where they want make you enter power go enter power. Na information where we hear be that allegedly $50 million is 68 billion 500 million naira. Now waiting 50 US million commas for Nigerian currency be that. We dey suffer for Delta State, but those politicians get money to go rig election in their favor. We heard that those top APC officials they collected the money, and because of that, Omo Agege have left APC to NDC. Okowa dey fight Omo Agege, Okowa dey fight Senator Urhobo. Make them not go back to Senate. Make he fit put people where he wants, so that all those people now go dey observe those territories for am. Okowa is the one leading Delta State. Sheriff just did that as governor. Okowa na him boss. Now Okowa dey control that guy. Governor Sheriff too dey fight Senator Ned Nwoko. Okowa and Sheriff no want make Senator Ned Nwoko go back to the Senate. So this idiot from Urhobo where they talk rubbish, you cannot get Anyoma State, Senator Ned Nwoko cannot do it alone. Your own Omo Agege Urhobo man, Okowa dey fight am. Any Urhobo person where they support Okowa, that Urhobo person is against Omo Agege. Those set of idiots, they think say that they do Omo Agege, they think say that they do Senator Ned Nwoko. They don't know say them they do themselves. So if you like, they feel say, Okowa wan go back to the Senate, Okowa don rig the election, Okowa get people wey put for political offices for Delta State, say that one enough will frustrate Anyoma State creation and keep we Anyoma people in Delta State. Una no know wetin dey happen. As una dey bring una own plan, we dey bring our own plan. Whichever plan wey Okowa get, we go dey follow am up. Anyoma State must be created. Isoko no get light, Anyoma na your problem. Some part of Urhobo land sef, they fit not get light. That one not be your problem. Your problem is Anyoma State. You know what make Anyoma people get Anyoma State join Southeast. Wetin we Anyoma people do now? Nothing. Enemy of progress. How you go tell us say you be winch be say person progress dey pay you. You dey only like hear bad news. Good news dey vex you. That one you go know say you don dey enter which pro mass be that. Anyoma people na make una dey see the kind of neighbors wey we get for this country. Na make una dey see. People wey no wan use their sense know say if Senator Ned Nwoko actualize Anyoma State, he cannot be the first governor. Senator Ned Nwoko have said it countless times that the first governor of Anyoma State will be Anokwane man. Senator Ned Nwoko cannot become the first governor of Anyoma State. E no dey possible. That one just be like unwritten constitution. They not write am, but na wetin go happen be that. Na so e be for law, but e be like law wey dem not write down. It's an unwritten law, but e dey functional. Even if Senator Ned Nwoko wants to become the first governor of Anyoma State, e no comot anything for we Anyoma people, but e leave it alone for we Anyoma people. Anyoma State must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. Anybody where e dey pain, make that person go kick bucket. E share gware.